The Returnees channel. Yeah, that's the Returnees channel. I wish everyone can, register or subscribe to this channel, because for real, they are the truthful people I've ever met since I came from US. The place is nice. Everybody can come here and acquire land. They will provide you the security aspect, and you won't get any problem. I mean, it's a secure place. It's a secure place. A vast land. Anybody can come and acquire land here for real, and it's going to be secured.
Thank you very much, sir. Excuse me, this is the Returnees channel. Once again, I'm Mr. Alfred Kojoe Mensah. Our co-presenter, our partner, Mr. Philip, also is around. Peter is around also.
I'm Eddie Murphy.
Yes. We want you to introduce yourself and tell us, at least tell the people actually what is happening right now.
As I said initially, my name is Eddie Murphy, Tuesday Eddie Murphy, and everyone knows me around Klagon, Nungwa, La Chipe, enclaves of what do you call the other place, Sprintex. Everybody knows me there. That I've come to acquire land here, and the land is secured. Initially, they told me, but I didn't believe it. And as I subscribed to their land, I saw them on the YouTube. And when you Google the Returnees channel, you see them there, and you can come. When you come, you'll give you land to buy a secured land for that matter. Which, I mean, when you come, you enjoy the place. So everybody should come. Tell your friend, and your friend tell a friend to come and buy a land here, because I'm very happy here.
People, our Returnees channel normally deal with those abroad, and we have enough of complaint that people have been giving their money to the real estate developers that they want to buy a full finished house, and they're having problem. And what advice will you give it to them?
This has happened to me before. I give my money to somebody that he is acquiring me a house at La Chipe. Before I came, nothing has happened. You understand? And in fact, I don't want to go there. But to connect with this Returnees channel and subscribe to it, you are going to get a very good place, a site to build your house. I mean, come down and buy your land and build yourself. That is a very good advice I'm giving you. I'm giving you advice for free, folks. So try and come and subscribe to the Returnees channel. You will get every details about these people.
Thank you very much, sir. And I think you I can see you on your plot. Here we are come. This way you are having as your plot, isn't it?
I just bought it.
You just bought it?
Yeah.
And I can see you are happy.
I'm very happy.
Because you are buying from the right sources.
Yes, I bought it from the right sources.
Oh, mind you.
You know what I did? I made my underground investigation and then found out Mr. Philip, being the head of the head of the family, the chieftaincy, they are having the title. They have the title of the land. When you buy, you don't have a problem. So there are people tell me that when I come, I will get a very good and secure place to buy land.
You are Apollonia. Tell us a little bit about the atmosphere, the surroundings.
Oh, I like the place. As I said, the place is very airy. I like how the wind is blowing. You can hear the noise of that zinc, as if you're at the beach. You see how the air is blowing. It's blowing all the zincs. So, I mean, the place is airy. The place is airy. It's a nice place. A vast place, of course. So people, folks, come down, come here, and you can buy land here.
Thank you very much, sir.
Buy land from Mr. Chief,
and Mr.
my
Philip.
Chief and Mr. Philip.
Yeah, thank you very much, sir. Yeah. And I think they have heard, and definitely they will follow up and come. Just subscribe to the Returnees channel, raise thumb up, share.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell someone to tell someone.
Yes,
thank you very much, sir. Blessed.
Yeah.